She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes mysterious. Once you get to meet her, you see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
What's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and today we are going to be doing an installation on a dash cam. This is not your normal dash cam. This is actually a different dash cam than what you usually see. So the thing about this dash cam, it fits on your car and it looks OEM. A huge shout out for FITCAMX for allowing me to review this. I've been eyeing this out for a little while. One of my old Corolla Hatch friends, Frankie, if you're watching, what's up to you, Frankie? He actually recommended me this camera about 2-3 years ago, and I never got around to it, but now that I have the GR, you definitely want to have a dash cam to CYA for any reason. A dash cam is useful in any car. But the thing about this one is very special is because it doesn't look bulky. It doesn't look like there's a camera in your way, or when you're driving you don't see like a camera right there. To me, that's why I don't like dash cams, is because you just see like the square thing in front of your view, and from the outside it just does not look good. However, this one's different. Let's get into the unboxing. So the unboxing is pretty simple. It has a box for the dash cam and for the accessories, aka the harnesses and stuff like that. So you just pull out the dash cam box. Right under it is the user manual. Definitely gonna need this when I do the installation. And then the little accessory box. And this is the dash cam right here. So as you can see, the camera's right here. This goes where your rear view mirror goes. So it goes like this, so you can't even tell that there's a camera. There's already a camera on top, and this will be right under that camera, which looks super sleek in design. You can't even tell that this is an aftermarket component. This is the big reason why FITCAMX definitely drew my attention, just because it's OEM-like feel. Now we open the accessories. The first accessory is the harness. This goes here. That, and then this goes in your OEM harness. It does have foam, just so it won't rattle. That's definitely a great touch from this company. Not a lot of companies actually put this foam and have that anti-rattle kit already installed. This is definitely another plus on this dash cam. It does come with the USB and a little panel popper that you can use to pry open the original one. So that's all that comes with the camera. They do have an option if you want to have the rear camera. I opted out. I really didn't want that. I just wanted the front. With this USB, you do connect to your computer and you put the SD chip in the back. You do want to format the SD chip that does come with the camera. That's what the instruction says, so make sure you format the SD chip. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to format the SD card. If you do have a MacBook, this is kind of useless. Or if you have one of these, it's just, if you're a MacBook guy, you already know what this is. You can connect this in here, but mine actually does have a SD slot right. First step is, if you do have a PC, you do plug in this into your PC, and then you go ahead and put this in, and then the computer will read it. But since I have a MacBook, I gotta put it into this adapter. So you insert your SD chip, and then the little file will pop up to the right. That's how you know your computer read it. However, here in the MacBook, you have to go into the Launchpad and search up Disk Utility, which is that right there. You wanna go ahead and right click it, go into Erase, and then you wanna just name it. I'm just gonna name this GR Corolla, and you can go ahead and hit Erase. And then it's just erase it, erasing complete, hit done. Now your SD chip is formatted, ready to use. Always make sure you click eject to make sure it's safe to remove. All right, so the first step, you just want to move this your mirror down, and you want to pop off this cover. And just get under it and pull it, and just pull it out, just like that. And then this cover you want to slide down. So you do the left side first and then the right side. It's just these two tabs. It does sound like you're breaking it, but it's just all this plastic. And then the harness you're supposed to get is this harness right here. So you just press down and pull. And then you want to go ahead and get this harness right here. So the female side, make sure it goes in there, make sure it snaps. And then you want to go ahead and connect the other side. So this is gonna sit right there. And then this cable connects to the dash cam. After you plug in the little connector right here, you want to push this connector up and you want to push this connector inside here, so you make an upside down L. So just so the cables will be put away, and then you can go ahead and slide it under. So you make sure this side is pushed in and this side's pushed in. So now you want to hide this cable, and then you just want to tuck in the cable inside the headliner, and then you want to get your cover. This cover does cover up all the extra connectors, and then right there, you're good to go. Now all you have to do is turn on your car and set it up in the app. So this app is on the iPhone and Android, so you just search up FITCAMX, go ahead and open it and install it. Once that is installed, you can go to your settings on your phone. This does work for Android and iPhone. Next thing you gotta do is load up your settings and go into your Wi-Fi, and you either want to look for CAR dash or LHD dash. So mine is LHD, so I go ahead and click it. The password for all you guys' cameras is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and you hit join. And now you go load up the app, and now you want to hit add camera, and it starts to connect. Alright, so once it starts to load up, there you go, you can see it's 4K quality, looks good, and that's how you set it up. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the live feed. The image quality is a little bit downgraded because it is a live feed, but it does look clear regardless. Once you download the file, it is in a 4K file, so you don't have to worry about that, but that's how the installation goes. So one thing I do love about it is how clean it looks. As you can see right there, it does not look like there's a camera. There's nothing in your way, it's just chilling right there, and you have a live feed on your phone. Let me get a downloaded file and show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks out from the outside. Super sleek, you can't even tell that there is a camera because of that camera up there. If you are in the market for some dash cams, I would highly recommend this dash cam. This dash cam does not only fit the GR Corolla, it also does fit the regular Corolla Hatchback. You just have to be careful with the years. I know 2019 to 2022 is a specific model, and then 2023 is a different model, so you definitely have to see which model you have. So just make sure if you have a 2019 through 2022, you're okay, but if you have a 2023 Corolla, you do have to make sure you get a different camera from the rest. Alright, so let's go ahead and review this footage. And yeah, that footage looks really good. It's really crystal clear. It is 4K. It looks great. Let's see how it looks in front of the sun. Let's see. So when the sun is in the way, it actually still blocks out the sun pretty good. And then transitioning out the sun, it focuses all the time. So what I do like about this camera is that the high quality is there. It's a really good camera. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys do enjoy this unique dash cam. This is definitely one I would highly recommend. I'll put a link down in the description where you guys can buy this. I just want to give a huge shout out to FITCAMX for sending this out, for allowing me to review this. I want to thank you guys for watching the videos, always liking, commenting. I appreciate you guys. There's plenty more content left. I did finally buy some wheels, as you guys can see right there. I don't know when I'm going to reveal them yet. I do want to wait to lower my car and then go ahead and put those wheels on. If you guys have any guesses what kind of wheels I got, it's definitely still JDM. Leave your guys' guesses down in the comments below. Plenty more content to come. I do have another special video coming. Should be around June, maybe late June, if not July. Thank you guys for watching the video. Catch you guys next time.